we're off. Back to the trolley.
My friends, this trolley does come with a free vibration massages on the house. We don't charge for that, so don't worry. Oh, welcome. Welcome down to your guests. Right on time. Go ahead, take a seat anywhere you like. Thank you, Primo. Alright, my friends, this building right here to my left-hand side is my favorite building here in Bacardi. Why? Well, because that is the employee cafeteria, where I get stuff every single day and get ready for a full days of work. Now, first stop, right here on the right-hand side, this building with the large glass windows, that is our blending facility. That's where we mix and match those two bases that you saw before into the rum that you recognize every single day in those supermarkets, no liquor stores, and everywhere. So, it's actually named after our previous master blender, Joe Gomez, which gave us the Bacardi family an amazing 40 years of service. It was just so awesome. We just named the whole thing after him, because why not? In between the buildings are the distillation columns, those 5 stainless steel columns in the back, that's right. That's where we make our destilado. That 94% alcohol by volume base. Any higher, and it'd be considered a vodka. Behind the base building, is the single column. That's where we make our agua ardiente, that 85% alcohol by volume that was very heavy bodied and very aromatic and flavorful. This building right here, as we of course remodeled, so we need to keep it clean and nicely painted. It is the most important building here in Casa Bacardi, La Catedral de Rum, the Cathedral of Rum. It was christened by the first democratically elected governor, Luis Muñoz Marin. And it's where we hold our most important asset, the yeast. That's right. It's the very same single strain yeast that was used by our founder, Don Facundo, all the way back in 1862. It holds the record for the oldest living single strain yeast from Cuba. That sits behind 3 security doors that only 5 people in the world have access to. So you can bet nobody's ever getting inside there. This little tray right here to the right-hand side is what we used all the way in the good old days to carry the molasses around the island. You see that little tank in the back? And we'll throw that all the way up with molasses. And you might remember fermentation. Fermentation takes place right here, this brown tank, so these large brown tanks to the right. We have 20 of those tanks and each hold 50,000 gallons of liquid. So you can bet there's a lot of distillers beer being made here every single day. To the back, those massive blue tanks, those are our molasses tanks, each holding 2.5 million gallons of molasses. So that's a lot of each for a very, very hungry yeast. Fermentation here takes place incredibly fast, 24 to 48 hours. For reference, maybe other rum facilities take 1 or 2 weeks, so you can bet. We do things very fast here, and of course very consistently. Now this is our final stop. Please take all your belongings with you, and just follow me to the sugarcane lane. So, I actually want to talk about, she's like ready to go. She's like, this is sugar cane. And when you grow it properly, it actually grows much larger and thicker. But once we squeeze the guarapo, the sugar cane juice, what's left is the molasses, which is what we use. Now, but I really want to talk about, you see that black stuff around the cane sugar and the palm trees? You see how that palm tree is like half black and half like white? Well, that's actually a fungus. It's called the whiskey fungus. It shows up in the presence of alcohol to do anything to the vegetation. It sits there waiting for alcohol to form it so it can feed. Now there's a lot here because we may, of course, make a lot of rum.
But it was a big issue in the 1930s because of the prohibition. You see, the moonshiners would start making the illegal spirits, and the whiskey fungus would show up in those forests that were making those spirits. The whiskey fungus would show up. It would be all over the trees. And so the cops would fly by in the planes and notice a big patch of black. So they would troop down and arrest everybody. Later on, the moonshiners, you know, they're like the snitches of the you know, spirit making world. So what happens to snitches? Snitches, right? So they would chop down the trees. Chop down the trees. And then the cops would fly by in their planes and see a big patch of nothing. Like, look at that, they're chopping down trees. I wonder why, right? So they still get in trouble because they would come down and arrest everybody as well. And that's why moonshiners started making their spirit at night where they couldn't be seen. Actually, moonshiners, the name comes from the fact that the moonlight would reflect off of the pot stills, and hence moonshiners, my friends. Isn't that cool? So let's run over to our mixology classroom. Yeah, are we ready? All right. Let's go.
Sugar cane. Interesting.
I like it. It's just like they really make it. They have this like, you know, they have this like, they put like this in and then they're like, try it. So it's tasty. And then they put like some salt or whatever on it.
Ta-da! Welcome. The ingredients, give us a spot right here. And perfect. There we go. So guys, are you ready? Are you ready? Welcome to the Mixology classroom. My name is Ed, and I'm going to be your Mixology teacher for today. I'm going to help you guys out to live your bartending fantasies, alright? Yeah? That sounds good. We're going to be making two iconic cocktails. Amazing cocktails. First and foremost, the mojito. That's right, that amazingly refreshing drink. That mojito that you know and love. And next up, after that, we'll be making the amazingly delicious hand-shaken piña colada. That's right. That's right, that piña colada is going to be delicious, my friends. You're not going to regret. So everyone, let's make sure that we have the tools of our trade, right? We need our equipment, guys. Every bar needs their equipment. Gracias, primo. So, first up on the list is 2 highball glasses. I want to see them all the way up. 2 highball glasses, that's right. He's ready to go, I saw that. Mi hermano está ahí listo, he's good to go. So, back down with check mark, good. Reach for the next, the muddler, macerador. That's right, Luke, I am your father. That's right. I know, yeah. Next up on the list is the measurer. Or like the pros like to call it, the jigger, that's right. You'll notice it has a small side, the 1 ounce side, and the 1.5 ounce side, right? It's important, guys, to remember that recipe. Next is the bar spoon with that coin side and the spoon side, right? So now we have that. We have the tongs. And they're not clicking, they're not working, right? That's right, that's right. I wanna see them clickers. You know, got 1, 2, 3, I got you. Look at this. 1, 2, and 3. Hey, no person left behind. Right here, and then right there. There you go, nice. This is solid. That's why we do this, right? Make sure we have all the things we need. That final piece of the puzzle is our shaker. This is a colorless shaker. I'm going to go through every single piece. We have our tin right here. You might notice it has this little line right here, this little bent line. That's important for leader. You see it? Good. Next, what we call here, in Casa Bacardi, la tapa, the lid. That's right, la tapa. And it can only be described as la tapita, the small lid. That's right. It's like, oh my goodness, what is he talking about? Yes, that's right, la tapita, the same right. That's right. In Puerto Rico here, we use hito a lot, but you know it. Nice. Now that we have all the tools of a tray, right, all the equipment that we need, let's make sure that we have all our amazing ingredients, right? So in this same order, you're gonna have your limes, your mint, your sugar, your club soda, your pineapple juice, and your coconut cream. That's right, coconut cream, guys. Yes. Have issues with coconut cream, it's way too good, and I can't stop once I start. Some of my friends. With that said, let's talk a little bit about our first cocktail, the mojito. Because the mojito is pretty old. I don't know if you knew, but the mojito started all the way back in them pirate days. That's a Johnny Depp kind of era, right? So, it actually was Sir Francis and Sir Richard Drake. They're not related, though they share the same last name, but they did share the same pirate ship. So, anywhere Sir Francis Drake would go, plundering all the Spanish colonies, where he would set dock, Sir Richard Drake would hop out and leave this recipe. Remember that horse roll I was talking to you about? Well, to make it more desirable, he would add some lime, some sugar, and some mint. How does that sound like? A mojito, of course. It was actually called El Drake, the Drake. The very first iteration of that mojito. Actually, mojo means potion. And ito, you already know that means small, right? So small potion, my friends. Small potion right there. And that's what we're going to be making right here, right now. Small potions. So, first up, raise that highball glass all the way high. I want to see those. Raise up in the sky. And then right in the middle. There we go. I like the attitude. I like the attitude. Now, I'm going to reach for the first ingredient. So, take your tongs. If they're not clicking, they're not working. I want to see that. Yes. Go and reach for that line. Place 3 lines. Peel side down. That's right. Peel side down. Why peel side down, Ed? Why? Well, because we want that amazing pulp. Raise your hands. That amazing pulp with none of that bitter peel.
Press.
See? Yes, press. Yeah. If you like more, you can place more. Here in Casa Bacardi, we do moves you. But here, I'm just giving you the basics, right? So you can explore as much as you like. Now we have those 3 lines. Remember, peel side down, that's important. Next, reach for that bar spoon. Reach for that bar spoon and place 2 scoops of sugar inside. That's right, 2 scoops of sugar. If you're feeling crazy, go ahead and put an extra spoonful in there. If you don't care for general health, put the whole thing in. I don't judge. Now, He's like, yes, this is my way. I love it. Now, the fun parts. Reach for the muddler. I want to see them high. That's right. I see you in the back. You boogie has boogie with you, alright? Nice. So, we're not making more fumble here, my friends. We're not beating the heck of our line, alright? We're not getting no fumble. We're not getting our aggression out, alright? So, actually, we're gonna push and twist. Push and twist. That's right. You put your body weight in there and squeeze that amazing juice out. I see people here like beat their lives into submission like they did something wrong. And so we're not doing that. We're just gonna push and squeeze that amazing juice out.
Sugar water, I love it.
Sniff around sugar water, that's right. Now, go ahead and stir that out. I want to see all those droplets inside that glass. Every last bit counts. Good. Good. Perfect. Now, let's add the next ingredient. The mint. That's right, the mint right here. Wait. We're not going to slap our mint. No. We're not going to model our mint either. Might be asking, they know, hey Ed, then how are we going to activate those mints? Well, I'll tell you, but let's just first add that mint, right? So let's add the whole thing in there, add just all the mints. Unless you want to leave a little leaf for garnish, but I just put the whole thing in there. Yeah, put all that in there. I want all those oils.
Okay.
That looks already looking good. You guys are doing good. So far, so good. Let me see over here in the back on my left side. I don't forget on the left side. I'm a lefty. How could I? That looks good. So far, so good. We're doing great. Now, you might be asking, hey Ed, then tell me now, how are we going to activate that amazing mint? No, I'm not beat it. It's an amazing, delicate leaf. But here in Catalan, we found the perfect way to activate that mint, right? And that's with Bacardi Superior Carta Blanca. That's right, you have to see a little bottle right there. That's right, a little bottle of magic, my friends. This is the world's most mixable rum. And the world's most awarded with over 600 awards to its name. It's made to sit right there in the background with that amazing mint and lime. Oh my goodness, so good. So go ahead and open that little bottle. Just pour the whole thing in there. That's right, because here we're not messing around. We're not making no original mojitos. We're making an amazing original mojito, all right? So, I see you guys with no hesitation. Straight in there, I love it. Now, reach for the bar spoon and with the coin aside. Mix all that goodness up. Mix all that goodness up. That's right. Now take a moment and just smell that. Smell that magic. Like, ooh, right, I heard you. Like, ooh. Yeah. Oh man, yeah, just mixing. Yeah. Of course, I think easier. You do what moves you because already. I'm just teaching you the basics. Alright, so you smell that? How was that? It's good, right? We're getting there, right? You're like, starting to smell like one. Almost there. So next up is the most important ingredient in cocktail making. Ice, that is correct, Mommy, that's right. Ice is the most important ingredient. Why? Well, because ice, have you guys had a shot? Because I know we have maybe tequila or whiskey straight up. Yeah, it's warm, right? Like, woo. So ice just takes that kick off, right? That punch. It's like that guy that shows up to the party with way too much energy. He's like, yeah, and the party's all mellow, like, yeah, man, right? So the ice just chills him out. He's like, man, calm down, take it easy, come hang with us. So it makes that ice incorporates that amazing rum with all that mint and lime. And it's have a nice 28-ounce glass. So go ahead and fill it all the way up to the top, all the way up to the top. And when I mean all the way, I mean all the That's right. That's right. Perfect. I see that glass. I see that. I got you. I see that. Amazing. So, reach for that club soda and top it off. Top it off. Reach for the club soda and just pour it in there. Top it off.
What is it?
That's club soda right there, my friend. Just top it off. All the way up to the top.
Thanks, Bill.
There you go.
Hold on, I might.
Nice. Alright.
I have a feeling like.
There's still a problem with our mojito. There's still a problem. It's too clear. Now it's too clear. Oh guys, look at it. It's just transparent. If you see a bartender hand you a clear mojito, send it back. You don't want it. It's no good. No. Cut it out. Right? So, let's mix it up. So with a bar spoon. Again, with that point side, you're going to do an amazing trick that we call here the swizzle. So, just like this, put your other hand right here, and then just swizzle away. Raise it up and down. I want to see those lines up and mix, incorporate. We want a foggy mojito, sucio, right mojito. All foggy, cloudy, nice looking. Raise those mints up. Where's that sugar? Big mistake people do, they leave all the sugar in the bottom, the top's all bland, the bottom is way too sweet. So incorporate everything together and make it nice and cloudy. I like what I'm seeing right now. It's looking good, looking good. Now, my friends, you have done it. You have made your very own mojito, that's right. Congratulations, can I get a clap for you? Of course you did, amazing. Amazing, look at those mojitos, those look sexy. Now, raise your glasses up. And with as much energy as you can give me, say, salud. Cheer, my friends, cheer with the person next to you. Cheer with the person behind you. It don't matter, it is all about the living connection. That's right. Take a sip of that mojito. How is that? It's good. Ooh, oh my goodness. How is that? It's good? Cool.
Okay.
Oh yeah, friends, how's that mojito? It is. Good? Alright. Alright, how is that? Good. How about here? This is looking good. I'd say that's right Instagram worthy. I don't know about you, but that looks amazing as well. Look at that. I'm checking my homeboy right here in the corner. There we go. You there, my friend? He put with sugar. He's like, yeah, he did what moves him, right? Do what moves you right there, right? More sugar, of course. How about here, my friends? Yeah, good? Alright. I like it. So now, disclaimer, of course, this is not a bar. We do encourage responsible drinking, of course, so we need to finish these two cocktails before we leave, but I'm going to give you guys time, of course. Just sip away the mojito. Well, I'll talk to you guys about our next cocktail, right? Yeah, because the next cocktail is going to be the handshake and piña colada. An amazing drink, oh my goodness, with that. Let me tell you guys, because the piña colada started with something very simple, which is pineapple chunks, water, sugar, and ice. That's it. That was the original variation. It was called la piña fría, the cold pineapple. Now they usually started changing different the recipe was being modified, evolving, right? And then they started straining the pineapple for the pineapple juice, hence colada, which means strain. So it became la piña fría colada, the cold strained pineapple, right? And it kept starting to change. They added, at one time they started adding coconut milk. But my friends, in 1950, a magical Puerto Rican man, oh my God, this magical Puerto Rican man decided to add the amazing ingredient that's called coconut cream. Oh my goodness, this thing gives me, it's an issue, it's an addiction. I can't stop. My friends are like, you need to stop now. I'm like, no, I can't. Alright, so I'll give you guys, just wait for later because I'm gonna let you guys try it, of course. So let's start making our piña colada first. Take así con la mojito because we're gonna get ready for this. Just like before. I want to see that tin. All the way up. I want to see them glistening in the sky, shining. Are we ready to go? Are we all set? And just like before, right in the middle. That's right. I want to place our first ingredients. So reach for the measure. And with the small size, we're going to pour our pineapple juice on the small side. And then place it inside that tin. That's right. That's the way to go. Place it inside that tin. Amazing. Now, the piña colada is a perfect balance of coconut and pineapple, but it does not mean it's the same measurement. Nope. We need a little bit more coconut so we can, the pineapple's pretty bold, right? So we need a little more coconut so we can mingle together and have a nice time. So, with the same measure, but on the long side, we're gonna pour our coconut cream. That's right. It's thick, I know. Like molasses. That's amazing. And now, after you pour it in that tin, we're gonna pour it in the tin, of course. And if you're feeling adventurous, go ahead and dip your pinky finger inside that glass. Just taste that coconut cream. I'm telling you, you won't regret it. She's like, is that coming out? Oh, she's like, yes, I know we have problems now. Oh my goodness, I created a monster. Oh no. She's like, I know, why did you do that, Ed? Now, I can't stop either. How does that coconut cream? She's like, yep, she's licking her fingers and everything. She's like, where you go? Oh my goodness, you lost something over here. Oh, there you go. There's nothing. All right. Now that we have that coconut cream in there, then place. Next up is, of course, our next special guest. Did you see that little glass with that melted gold bar? That little liquid, glistening liquid of magic. That is Bacardi Añejo Cuatro. That's right, Bacardi Añejo Cuatro is an amazing expression of rum. It's made to elevate those cocktails to the next level. The next level. So, take that glass. Just pour the whole thing in there. That's right, the whole thing. You heard me, right? The whole thing. The whole thing. I'm not kidding around. I see no hesitation from my friends. They're like, sorry, empty. That's right. Sip away that mojito because I know we're getting excited. Like, oh my God, we're almost there. Now, while you sip away those mojitos, leave those shakers by the side. Enjoy that mojito because I'm going to talk to you about the shaker, right? Just look at me, drink away, and just look at me. Because sis, the way we close this, imagine we have all our ingredients inside here because we're missing one ingredient. That's on purpose. So, place them aside, guys. I will show you guys. Just, I want no accidents. This is the one we have as our baby. We want to keep her safe, right? So, this is how you close it. With la tapa, the lid, without la tapita, without a small lid, we're going to close that first, just like that. And then we put the small lid. Why? Because we need some air to escape, so it doesn't compress. My friends, there's no ice inside. Don't shake anything yet. All right? I see some shaking. I'm getting worried. All right, get me right here. Oh, that's not coming off. There you go. Here we go. Right here. Okay. So, my friends, it's super important that you let that air out so it doesn't compress, and when you start shaking, don't blow up. Because I've been working here a long time, but I've always seen the legend of the flying piña coladas. The piña coladas go flying everywhere. We're like, oh no! It's all over the place. The pineapple juice and the coconut cream all over, plus the sad rum on the floor. No, we want to avoid that tragedy. So, remember, put the la tapa, the lid, and then the small lid afterwards. Now, let's open up our shakers and add the ice to that thin line. Remember that thin line? That's important. That's our perfect marker for the ice. That little thin line right there. Right. Exactly, that's perfect. Okay. Just a little more, just a little more. Now, once you have your eyes, the roast is just like I taught you. First let that part of lid, and then let that please cut a small lid, and then we're almost ready to shake. But stop. Guys, I want to show you first how to shake. Before you start shaking, alright, let me show you how it's done. With a dominant hand, I'm a lefty, so you take it like just like this. And then with your other hand like this, I'm going to shake in this direction. Why this direction? Because if it does blow up, it blows up on you and not the person next to you. Unless you have something to say, of course, I don't, Jerry, I'm not seeing anything. Right, so, we're going to count down. So, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go, shake, 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 shake. That's right. That's the sound, that's the music to our ears. Shake, 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 That's are a good. Oh, my dude, I know it's cold. Don't stop, don't stop. Oh, my goodness. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here comes us. Yeah, I know it's cold. I know it's cold. I know we're thinking, oh, my God, my hands. They're about to fall out on my little thunder. I know that. I know. So now, when we're done shooting, take that extra highball glass and fill it with fresh ice all the way up to the top. Like I said before, when I say all the way up, I mean all the way up. All the way up. The more ice, the better. Why? Because when you buy a coffee, you can't for a minute. That ice just buys you more time. So all the way up to the top, my friend. Now that we have that, go ahead and take la tapita, just a small lid off. Just la tapita, just a small lid. And then strain the pineapple, the pina colada inside. I want to see those amazing pores. Oh, see, that's perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. That's right. That's the way to go. Amazing. Look at that. Amazing. Look at that beautiful pina colada. Handshaking pina colada. You what? You didn't shake it? Oh my goodness. Mommy, what you doing? Yeah, I'll help you. He's only gonna save it. She was shaking everything with just ice inside. Here. He's only gonna save it. We're gonna do it for 34 weeks. Place all that right in here. That's right. And now you're gonna shake all that, alright? With a bar spoon, go ahead and get all that up. That's right. Stuck.
No, put the top on.
There you go.
No, take the top off.
That's right.
Put the top on.
That's right. Now guys, how is that pina colada? Good?
There you go.
Alright my friends. I see you enjoying it. Let me help you out because he's having technical issues. Oh no! Oh no! You actually got your places, right? Here, let me see if I got something for you. Dígame. Puedo decir que no, no, no. you. Here you go. I didn't forget about you. Oh, ready to go?
Yeah, I know.
You do? Where's he's right here. Yeah. All right, here we go. I don't twist. Here we go. Oh, good. Here. See? For the chill here. Don't worry, I got a shot going for you as well. I feel it. Here, no man or woman is left behind in my class. No. So my friends, that said, I know we have to take a picture here. Congratulations! You have made your very own piña colada. That's right. So, just gonna wait for my homegirl in the back to make her own real fast. As a matter of fact, I can see how she's doing in the back. I know, right? It's amazing. What do you think about piña colada? Good? How about over here? How's that piña colada? Amazing? Good. Thank you, prima. Super round to save the day. Okay, let me see. Let me see if you're ready. That's right, on the small side. That's good, okay. That's rubber, that's all good. No long, that's right. She had a lot of mojitos before here, right? Yeah? Or maybe that's the... Like, he's like, oh, well, it's like an experiment. She's like going on a chemistry class right here. Yeah. no, that's what she was. You're one of the lucky ones they got. Oh my goodness. That is Brañao right there, Brañao. You're gonna feel that later. Oh my God, that's good. That's good to know. There we go. We're good. Los bajitos. All right, my friends. Now, let's go ahead and make a toast. Has anybody here, by the way, have any special occasions, any birthdays or anything like that? Oh, okay, that's good. Not in the mood to sing happy birthday. Oh my God. So, it's on a special day because we're all here. Especially with me, your tour guide, Ed, right? That's right, Bacardi. So guys, I want to see you glasses right here. I'll wait for my homegirl's so shaky. She's like, it's gonna go. It's gonna be all right. Let's see. The moment of truth. Hey, there we go. Let's see. There we go. She got it, friends. She got it down. Oh my goodness. There you go. Now guys, we're gonna cheer. Cheer right here with me. Here right in the middle. And I know there's a Rodrigo in the back, so he's gonna help me a little bit here. So we're gonna cheer just like this. Say after me. Pa arriba. Pa abajo. Pa el centro. Y pa adentro. Cheer, my friends. Oh my goodness. Now guys, you have done it. You are now your very own mixologist. That's right. Now when you go home, you can show off to your friends. That's right. So say, I know how to make you a piña colada, killer piña colada, and a killer mojito because my homie Ed taught me so. So, now you know how to post those pictures in Instagram so everybody can see it. Hashtag CasablancaLeakyPod. Especially, like I said before, environment enemies. I love to watch myself with those reviews. If you think I did a good job, like again, go to TripAdvisor and say, hey, Ed is amazing, he was a bomb. He saved my piña colada all the way in the back, right? That's right, look at him, hello. My friends, it was a pleasure to have you. If you think I did a good job, tips are appreciated. And my tip jar is in my pocket. Also, I have been home. That's right, so, my friends, I'll take out my microphone. I'm gonna give you a couple of minutes, about 10 minutes, all right, to enjoy our cocktails before the next class. We're gonna run and get ready for my next tour. We don't have to go cause my friends yes, and then we have to wash these. We don't want these glasses. Just quick out. So, my friends, after we finish right here, open the door in the back and we're gonna head to the gift shop because just like Disney, crusty experience, and then the gift shop, alright?
Okay, so now we're gonna go to the gift shop.
This is my world. Yes, I want to get stuff for making.
Got it. So here's the spoon. Here's the muffler. Well, you can get this muffler if you want.
I already have one of those at home. There's two of those at home. You have two of those at home.
So like this is a different muffler.
We have one at home, but it doesn't say Bacardi.
We don't have a, whatever these things are,
Ooh, like tones up.
this one? That's heavy. You can't take that.
How much?
24. That's heavy.
Yeah, that would be an okay cutting board.
It's not a cutting board.
You could put the cutting board over it. Put the cutting, you know.
Meant for your smoker.
I get you, what I'm saying.
This
Our
is just
house.
a little thing. One t-shirt.
That I might want. I want a picture like they're doing.
Is that picture that you with us?
Here you go, Joni. There's your house.
Yeah, might get that.
That one's usually
between 8 and 12 years. So it's, the more years, the more like sweeter and like,
Hey everybody, this is Chris.
And Joan.
For Chris and
Jones
Jones Travel.
Travel.
We're just finishing the Bacardi factory.
Woo-hoo.
We
We
had
know-
a couple good drinks. And
We know how to make a
fun.
mojito. We know how to make a pina colada.
So Joni doesn't know how to make her. She did it wrong. I hope you enjoy
failed.
this video. Don't forget to subscribe.
Like
Bye.
and subscribe. Thank you.